Okay, now go.
Hey guys, it's Jared Sullivan 2002. Is it recording? Okay. Me and Ben, no, you can't start yet. You have to let all your water go down. This is Ben here. Put your water out. Ben is disqualified already. Okay.
Put my water out.
We're gonna do an epic water cannon fight, and so we are gonna yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So let's stop this cut so we can get ready. Here and do it.
Ben, do not spray
Wait, can you
near
zoom
this.
in?
It's it's recording.
3, 2, 1, go. No, stop. Okay, here's the match begins. In 3, 2, bow. Okay, turn it off! Turn it off! Ben, turn it off! Stop the clip! Hey! 3, 2, 1, bow! Round 2! Stop the camera! 3, 2, 1. Round 3. I'm in. 2, 1. The final battle begins. So that was it, guys, for the epic water balloon fight. And here's Ben's little sister, Emma, and they're twins, Emma and Elijah. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to laugh, live, comment, and subscribe. Well, if you want me to, I will make more videos like that on my other channel that I hopefully getting next week or the weekend after. So see you guys later. No, 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe!
Okay, it's recording.
Alright, hey guys, this is Jared Sullivan 2000.